Welcome to the VU Gate channel's final term preparation guide. For ENG101 English Comprehension, where we will break down the essential high-priority topics for your success. Starting with Topic 1, Reading and Comprehension Skills, you must master the difference between the main idea and supporting details while practicing skimming and scanning, which are rapid reading. Techniques used to locate specific facts or get a quick overview of a passage, alongside using contextual clues and drawing logical inferences. Moving into Topic 2, Essential Grammar, which carries high weightage, you need to focus on active and passive voice and direct and indirect speech, while mastering subject-verb agreement and the four types of conditional sentences, which are if clauses used to express different levels of possibility and hypothetical situations. Next is Topic 3, Sentence Structure and Correction, where you should learn to fix sentence fragments and run-on sentences while mastering punctuation and transition words, which are signal words like therefore, and consequently that show the logical relationship between two sentences. In Topic 4, Vocabulary and Word Formation, you must understand how prefixes and suffixes change root words, such as how the suffix lie can change an adjective into an adverb while building your knowledge of synonyms, antonyms, and common phrasal verbs. Finally, in Topic 5, Writing Styles, focus on crafting a strong topic sentence and understanding different methods of paragraph development like comparison and contrast and cause and effect, while also learning to distinguish between narrative, descriptive, and persuasive writing, which is a style specifically designed to convince the reader to take a certain action or adopt a particular belief.